The Lady was the 21st of 25 bombers taking off for the mission that day. The mission did not start well. Bad luck struck when a sudden sandstorm caused havoc when the planes were taking off.
When they get to Naples, the Lady Be Good's pilot's not convinced that he's going to be able to identify the target, and he's afraid of hitting civilians. And so therefore, there's a little bit of talk on the radios between him and the other planes of scuttling the mission. And there's a little bit of a pushback on that, but all 4 planes decide to return.
The return mission, now they set a course. They assumed they were over water most of the time, but with a tailwind, they were actually flying further and faster than anticipated. And they ended up flying hundreds of miles past their base. So now they're at night in the dark, and it wasn't until daylight they saw that they were in the middle of the desert.